talk about AI in the future. Actually, what I'd like to do is challenge you a little bit differently, which is let's take 2 minutes on each one of these topics to talk about where things are right now. And I will use AI, but AI is creeping into everything um, and everywhere, including identity. What is the state of AI and identity now?
Um, it is, as you said, it's creeping into everything. Everybody's trying to add AI to their products or say this, whether they're doing it or not, right? On the other hand, there's people who have been using AI for a very long time in their products without ever calling it AI. So I think it's here to stay, right? I think there is still a reckoning coming in terms of just the cost of adding AI to everything. People don't quite understand that. As you've seen before, a lot of this stuff is VC subsidized, and at a certain point, this idea that you can continue to leverage that is going to become an issue. But the technology is going to continue to get better, and it is going to stretch the boundaries and break things, along the way.
Something I've thought about a lot about as well is what's going to happen with intellectual property. It does seem like the lines could blur where intellectual property thoughts, things like that can be put into an AI and then what becomes to them? Are you training a model that doesn't really keep track of what is intellectual property? Where do thoughts belong? Do they belong to some person or some entity, or are they in the public domain? So that's just a little thought that I've been having lately.